Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Fantastic Beauty uses a Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Vaseline Petroleum Jelly has been the most admired and widely used jelly over a century. It is an inexpensive way to repair, heal and moisturize dry, chapped skin. Apart from relieving skin dryness, this wonder jelly has multiple beauty uses that you might not be knowing. Prevent uneven tanning. Want to get that perfect sunless tan? Rub a small amount of Vaseline on dry areas before applying fake tanning creams or lotions to prevent the appearance of uneven tanning. Skin areas that are dry and rough turns out to be darker than well-moisturized areas. Moisturizing Lip Gloss. Deep moisturize your dry, chapped lips and give a natural plump look to your lips with your very own Vaseline lip gloss. Cut a piece of old lipstick into a bowl, mix a spoonful of Vaseline, and you are ready to discover that beautiful glossy lips. You can create chemical-free natural lip gloss by simply mixing Vaseline with fine beetroot powder or natural food colors. Moisturizing Facial Cleanser. If you are suffering from intensely dry skin, then Vaseline can do the magic. Mix 1 small spoon of Vaseline to a few drops of milk and apply onto your face. Wait for 1 minute, and then gently wipe using a moist cotton pad. It removes impurities and traces of makeup without stripping away the essential moisture from dry skin. Anti-Aging Face Mask. Treat your skin with this simple homemade anti-aging face mask. Melt 2 spoons of Vaseline in a microwave bowl, mix 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon of honey to the melted Vaseline, and apply on your face and neck. Leave for about 20 minutes and then rinse with cold water. This deep moisturizing mask softens your skin, and the moisturizing elements in this mask smoothes wrinkles and fine lines. Thicker lashes and brows. Get that thick and gorgeous lashes and eyebrows naturally with Vaseline. Take any unused mascara wand and dip it into the Vaseline jar and coat your lashes and brows. Do this before going to bed. You can also rub a small amount of Vaseline on your eyelids to protect them from getting flaky and scaly in winter. Protect teeth from staining. It may sound weird, but it really works. Rubbing a thin layer of petroleum jelly on your teeth will keep colored foods and beverages from staining your pearly white teeth. Applying a thin layer of Vaseline before applying lipstick keeps lipstick off your teeth. Removal of stretch marks. Vaseline is very effective in reducing stretch marks caused due to pregnancy or rapid weight gain or weight loss. Take some Vaseline, mix it with some aloe vera gel, and gently massage onto the affected area for 10 minutes daily. Lighten dark lips. Discover smooth, petal soft, and pink lips with this natural home remedy. Simply mix 2 teaspoons of beetroots or pomegranate juice to a little bit of Vaseline and massage onto your lips. Do this before going to bed. It lightens dark lips and gives your lips a pinkish tinge naturally. Scar removal. A deep injury to the external skin can result in scarring. Moisturizing the affected area with Vaseline can help scars heal faster. Simply mix a generous amount of Vaseline with a few drops of honey and gently massage onto the area for 10 minutes. Wipe using a damp cloth. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for new videos updates.